Hi, yeah, so today I will install the water line for my fridge. It has a 1/4 um, connection right here, and so instead of running it from the basement, I have a kitchen, bathroom actually, bathroom faucet right behind it, behind my kitchen. Um, so this is the bathroom behind the kitchen fridge, and I made a hole. And this is what you need. You need a adapter for to convert to get a 1/4 connection. So this is gonna be the main line, and the top one will go to the faucet line, cold water, and the left, this one will connect to my fridge supply line, which is 1/4. So first thing is I need to remove the existing cold water. First, let's turn it off. So after removing the connection, I'm gonna put this adapter. It's a 1/4 inch comp outlet to a valve. Okay. That will go up there, and the water line, the fridge water supply will go here. So let me tighten this. Okay, connected the faucet water line and this one, and here's my line from the fridge. It's gonna go right here. To just tighten it. So that's it. Once you connect this fridge line, the faucet line, and the adapter, turn on the water line, and that's it. And I connected the water line to the fridge connector. Do not over tighten. That's on the instruction says I enough over tightening, but then I loosen it. So that's it, folks. If you like my video, please press the subscribe button. Thank you.